In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email list in GetResponse. This is a quick and easy guide for those who want to start using GetResponse, but aren't sure where to begin with their email marketing strategy. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share an exclusive free trial link with some amazing alternatives to GetResponse that could better suit your email marketing goals. First, let's dive into creating your email list in GetResponse. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Lists. This is where you can manage and create email lists. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and click Create List. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your list. Keep it clear and simple, something like newsletter subscribers or sales leads, depending on your audience. Next thing, after naming your list, you'll be taken to a page where you can adjust some settings. Here, you can add a description to make it easier to track your lists. Make sure the description is concise and reflective of the people you're trying to engage with. This will help you stay organized as you grow your lists. Now, let's talk about custom fields. This is important because adding custom fields lets you collect specific information about your subscribers. For instance, you might want to ask for their location, interests, or preferences. Adding custom fields can help personalize your email marketing and improve engagement. To add custom fields, simply go to the Fields section under your list settings and click Add Field. It's that simple. The next thing you need to do is set up your email list to capture subscribers. You can do this by creating forms. Under Forms, select Create Form. From there, you can customize your form to match your branding, and then you'll have an option to integrate it with your website. You can even set up a pop-up form or an embedded form for your landing page. This is a great way to grow your list quickly. Fourth thing, make sure you have an autoresponder set up. An autoresponder is crucial because it helps automate your email sequences. Once you have your email list, you don't want to manually send emails every time. Instead, you can set up a welcome email or a drip campaign that sends emails over time. To do this, navigate to the Automation tab and select Create Workflow. GetResponse offers a variety of templates, so you can choose one that fits your campaign goals. The fifth thing I want to mention is segmentation. Segmentation helps you target specific groups within your list. For example, if you're sending different content to people based on where they signed up or what they're interested in, segmentation will help. You can create segments in GetResponse based on subscriber activity, interests, and more. Head over to the Segment section to create your targeted groups. Finally, let's wrap up with integrations. If you use other tools like Shopify or WordPress, GetResponse has integrations that can sync your email list with those platforms. This makes it easy to grow your list from your website traffic and automate the process. Now, here's where things get interesting. While GetResponse is a great option for email marketing, it's not always the best fit for everyone. Some might find it a little complicated or too feature-packed, especially for beginners. That's why we recommend checking out some alternatives that might be a better fit for your specific goals, especially if simplicity and performance are what you're after. So, if you want to try GetResponse out for yourself, we have an exclusive and extended free trial for you through our link. And remember, we've also highlighted some alternatives that might better meet your needs, with free trials as well. Using our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to get started with GetResponse or explore better alternatives today.